and welcome back to the vlog. Let's go shopping for some fruits for my fruit fast. I am at Aldi's. I am currently in New Orleans right now, so I think I'm gonna get some things from Aldi's and I'm gonna get some things from Rouse's. First of all, with the fruit fast, I'm trying to do it for 3 weeks straight, where I only eat fruits, and on a weekend I have a salad, a full salad with no meat or nothing like that, and see how my weight fluctuates with that. Also, I'm going to be walking at like in the evening time, when the sun gets ready to go down. I'm gonna do some walking for like an hour. The stretch that my mom stays on is a good stretch to the main highway, so I can walk to the main highway and I can come back, and that'd be enough walking for me, much that I can tolerate at this time. I did get a walking pad. My son brought me a walking pad. We had an issue with it, so we had to return it. So by the time I get home to Memphis, I should have a new one. So with that being said, let's get started. So it's only fruits. Avocados are fruits. So if you see me pick up some avocados, don't pay me no mind. But today I did do good for breakfast. I had 1 banana and a half, and I had a mandarin orange. I had that for breakfast, and for lunch I had a whole avocado, and that was it. And I had some fruit that I can snack on once I get home. But let's go in here and see what I can find out. Okay, we're gonna do a quick car haul. I spent $28.40. I picked up some sunflower seeds to snack on in between. I have some pineapple halves. I got some strawberries, a pint of strawberries. Have some tomatoes, some grape tomatoes, some bananas, which are good in fiber because they help fill you up. I have some cucumbers, some miniature cucumbers for my salad. I have some blackberries. I have some avocados, some salad, and some mandarin oranges down there in the bag. So this is gonna last me at least a couple of days, give or take. And I'm gonna go into Rouse's, and I'm gonna look for some, they have this coconut water that I get from Rouse's every time I come home. And it's real good. It's flavor. It's like a seltzer. So I'm gonna go in Rouse's and get that, and I want to see if Rouse's have some grapefruit, because I would like to eat some grapefruit every now and then in the morning. So that is not bad for $28. So to get home, and I still think I'm gonna go ahead on and do my walk since it's not too hot and it's very cloudy. So this is my stretch I was talking about. Couple of houses from the corner, and I will be going all the way to the expressway, which is all the way down there and back. So I'm almost to the expressway. All right. Almost to the expressway.